This is Robert with Habitat for Bats, and this week we're in St. Mary's, Georgia. Thought I'd do a quick FAQ video for you. Every now and then we get a phone call, and in this case, Matt asks, what is the stick that you send with your fully finished bat houses? Well, he's talking about our large rectangular shaped bat houses that have the flat roof. We have an integrated cleat that goes in the back of it, and it's a simple French cleat design. You take the stick, as he called it, or the one half of the French cleat. You can secure it to a post or a flat wall. Then when you go up to hang your bat house, you simply carry the heavy bat house with you, and it gives you some place to instantly hang it that it won't fall. Now, once it's hanging on the cleat, that's not the final solution. You still need to install the rest of the screws to secure the bat house in place. But that quick cleat, or French cleat, or our integrated cleat system is simply there to assist with easy hanging of those larger bat houses. I hope you found that answer satisfactory as to what the stick was, and we hope you like our videos and subscribe, and we'll be bringing you more.